everyone, welcome to our lesson 6 class 1 of African drum with singing. Today I am going to teach you a song called Nkosi Siphe Amandla. It is a Zulu song that simply means Lord give us strength. Firstly, we are going to start with our drum beats, then after we are going to do our first verse of the song. Our drum beats are gonna go like this. Bass, tone, 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 tone. Ready? We are going to try them on the drum. Let's try them again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we are going to do our first verse of the song. It goes like this. Nkosi Siphe Amandla okuphumelela endleleni yethu. Nkosi Siphe Amandla okuphumelela endleleni yethu. Now we are going to sing the first verse while playing the African drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of our African drum with singing. If you are interested in learning more with us, you can hit the like button, comment and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.